Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 24, notice writing. So what is a notice? A notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. So a notice is a short piece of writing which is written in formal style so that we can say our important information, we can convey our information to the people of our organization. So, a notice is a short piece of communication written in formal style to convey important information to a group of people in an organization. So, how we will write a notice? What is the structure of a notice? An effective notice will usually include the following. So, these 9 points are given is your structure of notice. We will write the notice according to this 9 points. So, first point says that name of the organization or institution or office. So, we have to write firstly the organization's name, the office name. After that, we will write the word notice. After writing the notice, we will write date of issuing the notice. Here a printing mistake is there, so do it date of issuing the notice. After writing the date, it should only have relevant information. So the notice should contain only the important information. No here and there information should be there. Only the important information should be conveyed in a notice. Number 5 says that it should be brief to the point but give complete details of required information. So a notice should not be too lengthy, it should be brief, and it should also contain the required information, and the notice should be brief. Relevant W's should be answer in it. So what are the W's? What, when, who and where. So answers of what, when, who and where should be given in a notice so that it can complete the important informations. Number 7 says that notice may have a formal, semi-formal or informal style of writing. So a notice can be formal, semi-formal or informal. Number 8 says that it should have signature, name and designation of a person issuing the notice. So the notice must have signature and name of the person who is issuing the notice and also the designation of that specific person. Number 9 says that the entire content to the notice is placed in a box. So the whole notice should be placed inside a box. See, the structure is given, the layout of the notice is given, the structure is given in a specific manner so that it can be clear to you. Name of the organization, then in middle notice, date, subject or heading of the notice, body content of the notice. After that, name of the writer and designation of the writer. So this is the complete layout of a notice. You have to write the notice in this particular order. See, an example of notice is given that you are Aarti Gupta, the monitor of your class. Your school is organizing a trip to Mussoorie. Write a notice in about 50 words for your class notice board inviting your classmate to join the picnic. So this notice is mainly about a picnic, and you have to write all the relevant information in about 50 words, and you are Aarti Gupta, and the designation of Aarti Gupta is that she is the monitor of the class. So the example is given. First of all, write the name of the school, notice, date and the heading of the notice. After that, content of the notice is given. What, when, how, what, when, who, where, every information is been given in the relevant points. And after that, name of the person and designation of the person is been given at the last, and the notice is framed in a box. So the notice is kept inside a box. It is very important. So here some important exercises are also given. So your homework is to read the questions and write the notice. These are the exercises. You have to write the notice by reading the question. So your homework is to write all these 3 notice. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.